Hey guys, how's it going? Helpful Luck Picker here, and this is my 3-month follow-up video on how my Envo Mask has been holding up. I use it 12 hours at a time, 2 days a week, and it's been about 3 months since I bought it. So let's take a look right now. So as you can see, the case is holding up quite well, but let's just get some close-up looks at the mask so we can see together. So one of the big areas of concern was going to be, are the clips going to hold up? So I do not see any stress fractures, and they are still securing very, very well, and I have not had any indication that there is going to be any issues there. The next thing is we can take a quick look at the air gel. You can see that it is very well adhered. It still makes a great seal. And after 3 months of cleaning this mask with hospital-provided cleaning products, it is still holding up very well. One concern I had was this would dry up and crack, and I have not seen that. So my straps are also holding up quite well. I'll just let you just take a quick look at them. You can see that they are still very much intact. And let's take this mask apart now. So we can take another close look up here, and we can see that it is holding together very well. And we can take another look right here. So what I have is a brand new filter, and what I'd like to do is let's install a new one, and we can see how this is going to look with a new filter in place. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to poke a little hole through here, and we're going to tear the package open. Then we'll be able to get our new filter in. So this is going to be this side facing out. So we're just going to drop that right down. Then we're going to align our mask. And one thing I like to do is just make sure that this is sitting nice and flush going across. Sometimes I will just push down around it, and then I'm going to clip it into place. 1, 2, and the final clip, 3. So taking a look around the mask, you can see that it is clipped into place very well. It is still securing the filter very nicely. So in this video, I do not want to have to do a shot where I'm going to put the mask on. This is going to be more of a video just so you can see the durability and what it's looking like after 3 months of use. I just want to say that I am still very impressed with this mask, but the only thing I ask of you to remember to do is cover up the exhalation port. So typically what I will do is I will just take a surgical mask and I will wear it over the Envo mask just to protect other people, because this N95 is certainly going to protect the wearer, but if you are exhaling through this port, you're going to be spreading your germs to the community, and that's not something that you want to do. But either way, guys, this is all that I have for you today. This has just been a really quick showing of how my mask has been holding up over 3 months. I use this 12 hours at a time, twice a week, in a busy ER, and I just want to say that I have been very happy with this product. Either way, guys, what I'd really love to do is just hear your thoughts and your experiences with this mask. So please drop those right down in the comment section below. I'd really love to check them out and see what your experiences are. But if you have any questions or suggestions, please drop those in the comment section below as well. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video, and I hope you all have a great day, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video.